tonight, storm damage could be seen in Carbon County. The National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey conducted a storm survey for Kidder Township. Peak winds were estimated to be between 90 to 100 miles per hour.
Based on the amount of tree damage we saw and the severity of tree damage we saw, estimated maximum wind speeds along this swath were between 100 and 110 miles per hour.
I would say hundreds of trees that were impacted in terms of roots being ripped up, tops of trees being toppled off, trees on houses, wires down. It was a real mess.
No deaths or injuries were reported from the storm.